Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Chat series on the Modern English Vibes channel. I'm Emma, and I had a great weekend, which brings us to our topic today, the simple past tense.
And I'm Alex. We're moving from daily habits to describing finished actions. Don't worry about sounding stiff. I'll show you how to talk about yesterday using modern past tense slang.
And I'm Sarah. I'll guide you through the advanced level 2 past tense, using complex linking words to create smooth, detailed narratives about your past events.
And I am Dr. Liam. We must acknowledge that the simple past is the backbone of storytelling. We will look at how regular and irregular verbs change at each level.
Before we dive in, please hit that like button and subscribe to Modern English Vibes. Your support helps us keep the series going.
Level 1. Emma's basic past routine, the foundation.
I'll stick to clear, foundational past actions. Yesterday morning, I woke up at 7 o'clock. Woke up is the past of wake up. I washed my face and I brushed my teeth. I made a small breakfast. I went to my studio by car. During the day, I worked on my computer for many hours. I ate lunch at 1 p.m. I finished my work at 5 p.m. In the evening, I cooked dinner. I watched TV with my family. I went to bed at 11 o'clock.
Emma successfully used a mix of was for state, regular verbs like cooked, watched, finished, which just add ed, and essential irregular verbs like woke up, ate, went. This clear structure is the foundation of all past tense conversation. Key basic verbs defined. Woke up, the past of wake up. Cooked, finished, the past of cook, finish. Regular, add ed. Ate, the past of eat. Went, the past of go. Level 2. Sarah's advanced past routine, sequence and detail.
I will describe the past using linking words and detailed structures to show how one action led to the next. Although I had initially intended to sleep in, I nonetheless awakened early in order to prepare for the day. Upon concluding my large, nutritious breakfast, I meticulously reviewed my schedule. After my commute, I managed client calls all morning, which proved to be quite demanding. Consequently, I found it necessary to dedicate the evening to reading, thereby ensuring a complete mental restoration before retiring.
Sarah demonstrates true fluency by incorporating past-focused adverbs and clauses. Phrases like upon concluding, consequently, and thereby ensuring show the relationship between events, moving the conversation beyond a simple list of actions. Key advanced phrases defined. Had initially intended. Used to talk about a plan from the past that was often changed. Upon concluding. A formal way to say after finishing. Meticulously reviewed. Looked over very carefully. Consequently, as a result of that. Thereby ensuring. A formal way to say, in this way, it made sure that. Retiring. A formal word for going to bed. Level 3. Alex's modern past routine, slang and phrasal verbs.
Time for some modern English vibes. This is how we actually talk. I didn't crawl out of bed until 9 a.m. I was absolutely crashed. I just grabbed a coffee because I was totally living for that jolt. I peeped my messages for anything urgent, then bounced out to meet some friends. We hung out at the park and I chilled there until the evening. For dinner, I snagged some takeout because I couldn't be bothered to cook. Later, I just zoned out on the couch until I passed out way late. It was a great night.
Alex's narrative is crucial for sounding natural. He uses past tense phrasal verbs, which are essential in modern conversation. Verbs like hung out, chilled out, and passed out convey relaxation and tiredness much more expressively than their formal equivalents. Key modern slang defined. Didn't crawl out. Didn't get out of bed quickly. Past of crawl out. Was totally living for. Loved and was excited about something. Past continuous of live for. Hung out. Spent time informally, past of hang out. Chilled, out, relaxed, regular, add ed. Snagged, quickly got or bought something, past of snag. Couldn't be bothered, didn't have the energy or interest to do something, past of can't be bothered. Passed out, fell asleep, regular, add ed. Conclusion and listener challenge.
That was a fantastic showdown! Remember, the key is just to start telling your story.
Mastering these past tense phrases lets you share your experiences accurately and confidently.
Choose the level appropriate for your conversation, whether it's a formal report or a casual chat.
The key is remembering the core irregular verbs: go, went, eat, ate, see, saw. Most others are simple ed.
Your challenge is to tell us, what irregular verb did you use yesterday, and what did you do? Write it in the comments below.
See you next time on Easy English Chat Series. Keep those vibes modern.